Welcome YouTube channel alltipspm.
Welcome to me educational YouTube channel alltipspm. Question: explain the meaning of state and civil society. What are the characteristics of it? Answer: the meaning of state and civil society. The state, as a word stato, appeared in Italy in the early part of the 16th century in the writings of Machiavelli. The meaning of the state in the sense of a body politic became common in England and France in the latter part of the 16th century. The word Staatskunst became the German equivalent of Region di Stato during the 17th century, and a little later, the word Stadtrecht got the meaning of jus publicum. Henceforth, the use of the term state came into existing within society. A state, thus, is found in its elaborate system. It is found in its institutions which create laws and which enforce them, in institutions such as the legislature, the executive and the judiciary. It is found in the bureaucratic institutions which are attached to every executive branch of the government. It is found in the institutions which are called into operation when its will is challenged, the military and the police. The state is the sum total of these institutions. Ralph Miliband writes, these are the institutions, the government, the administration, the military and the police, the judicial branch, central government and parliamentary assemblies, which make up the state. In these institutions lies the state power, through these institutions come the laws of the state, and from them spring the legal right of using physical force. A other strand giving the state a meaning comes from Michael Foucault, who regards the state as built on power relations already existing in society. Chondok writes about Foucault, the state, Foucault concluded, can only operate on the basis of existing relations of domination and oppression in society. Rejecting both the perspectives of the state, Chondok says, the statists Skocpol and others concentrate on the state at the expense of society, and the theorists in the Foucauldian mode concentrate on social interaction at the expense of the state. She concludes that the state, with a view to understanding it in relation to society, and vice versa, is a social relation because it is the codified power of the social formation. Civil society. The concept of civil society, to give it a meaning, embraces an entire range of assumptions, values and institutions, such as political, social and civil rights, the rule of law, representative institutions, a public sphere, and above all a plurality of associations. Commenting on it, David Held, Models of Democracy, stated that it retains a distinctive character to the extent that it is made up of array of social life, the domestic world, the economic sphere, cultural activities and political interaction which are organized by private or voluntary arrangements between individuals and groups outside the direct control of the state. Adding to political interaction, civil society constitutes what Jürgen Habermas called the public sphere. Enlarging the view of civil society, one may include in it the structure of modern national state, economic modernization, great interconnectedness with other societies, free enterprise and what John Donne refers to as the modern representative democratic republic. Chondok sums up the meaning of civil society as the public sphere where individuals come together for various purposes both for their self-interest and for the reproduction of an entity called society. Political economists sought to control the power of the mercantilist state. With the passage of time, the concept of civil society moved on progressively, becoming a central plank of democratic movements in 18th century.